Island Heat Show, and we have got the star. The general has arrived.
General is in the building.
The general has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, born Omari Lawrence, artist hails from the parish of St. James, Jamaica. After nearly 2 decades in the music industry as a popular sound system selector, he turned to an artist, y'all, dropping his first album on all digital platforms on Tuesday, October 22nd, 2020.
During the pandemic, I remember.
Yes,
bad
indeed.
Bad tune.
His second single, I Wish, took off, gained traction all over the place, all over social media. He's known for his raspy voice, his witty lyrics, his unique perspective on subject matters not often discussed in Jamaican music. Ladies and gentlemen, joining us for the interview here on Island Heat Show for the first time, welcome, Bada General. Wagwan, Bada.
Oh, yeah.
Wagwan.
That is it.
Yo,
Yeah, book it, you know.
yeah, see that? Yo, the man himself. Listen, Bada.